Welcome from Tech Tips. This is a slightly different video because this actually shows you my fault. And what kind of fault is, look at this one. This is the graphic cards I fixed about 1 year ago and come back to me like I had the same problem. It's got an artifacting and some problem with the picture, and when it's loading on Windows, it's got a black screen, and I find the problem. I will need to reflow this card probably again, hopefully while fixing. The problem is, look at that. Do you see the thermal paste? It's actually every thermal paste is going around the die, and here's clean, absolutely clean. Also the same on die, look at that, it's around, and here's just only a little spot. That's helped keep graphic cards live on 1 year, and now is actually dead again. Not dead, it's got a problem with the picture. Hopefully once I reflow again, well, fixing and put a new thermal paste. This time I use the thermal paste grade YH880. I find this thermal paste is really good. Good is much better than I used before, which has been 510. It's the same company, and yeah, I'll put a link on the description for some parts and tools I use. Just click and have a look, and if you buy over this link, you will help me run this channel. Okay, let's go put card together. Okay, now I try put card together, but before I put all together, I will be this time check the thermal paste. And you can see the difference between the one I used before and look at this one. You see, it stay on the middle, no squeeze down. It's much better than one I used before. Hopefully this video helped you, and click like and subscribe, and yeah, see you on my another video.